to the entrepreneurship wormhole that I live in is I motivationally listen. I sit first chair entrepreneur. What those things mean is I hear when a person has an issue that they love this Braun 89, 85 shaper so hard that they'd be willing to pay $139.96 for the power cord on this. And these things seem counterintuitive, but it's because the Braun shaver made before 2011 is much better than the one made after. Power cords were discontinued in 2011, so now it takes you down the little wormhole where it allows you to arbitrage power cords. It allows you to practice a pop-up internship where you're practicing selling with no risk, because we're not going to